Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making broiled lobster tails. For this recipe we are using 4 lobster tails and they are about 4 ounces each. To begin, cut the top of the shell, stopping at the tail. Then flip it upside down and with your fingers crack the rib cage of the tail, and this is going to help you open up the shell. Now open up the shell to expose the meat, and if you see a vein, go ahead and remove it. Lift up the meat from the shell, keeping it attached at the end. As you expose the meat, close the shell underneath and rest the meat on top. Now, in a small mixing bowl, add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley. Let's give that a quick mix. Add in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and incorporate the lemon juice into our garlic butter. Begin to preheat your oven by setting it to broil high. Transfer them onto a baking dish or a tray or a cast iron skillet, anything you want that is oven safe, of course. Then brush this amazing garlic butter over them. Add in about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And sprinkle about half a teaspoon of paprika. Now broil on high for about 5 to 10 minutes. Or until the lobster tail meat turns white and no longer translucent. The internal temperature should be 140 degrees. And if everything goes according to plan, your broiled lobster tails should look like this. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, broiled lobster tails. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.